Crafting a Notion template for sales is a straightforward process that you can easily accomplish. Ensure you follow along attentively to grasp all the essential steps. Begin by accessing the Notion website and logging into your account. Then, navigate to the template button located on the left side of the screen. Once there, click on the Get Template button. A new window will appear. Click on the New button, also on the left side of the screen, followed by selecting the Page option. This action initiates the creation of your template. Provide a name for your template, such as Sample Template. In this demonstration, we'll be creating a table template. Click on the Table option, then select New Database. The ensuing window allows you to customize your table. You can modify the name of the first column and add properties like tags. Click on Tags, then Edit Property, to expand the options. You can include additional options, like Option A, and even adjust their colors to suit your preferences. Once your template is ready and you're considering selling it, you'll need to share it with potential buyers. Click on the Share button located at the top of the screen. Select the Invite Only option, and then click on it. Finally, copy the generated link and distribute it to interested parties to initiate sales.